Okay, this is the second week of quarantine. We are having spaghetti tonight with salad, hopefully. Because Miss Lisa says she might not make the salad. But this is what we don't want. I ain't tell you. Getting this spaghetti on deck for these little kids. So yeah. Let's get it crack-a-lacking. And here go this one here that just got finished with his schoolwork because he the only one in the house that have to do work.
Alicia.
She do work, but she don't do work. Your work is scheduled. Her work is not. Long as her work be in by 24 hours, then it's good. But you have scheduled dates on your work.
I have to turn my work by 5 and it's 4 right now.
Okay, so you finished?
Yeah, I finished.
Okay then. Hopefully if I make enough for this spaghetti, I will not have to be cooking anymore. At least for today and tomorrow. But these little bit of ground turkey packs that they giving you, I'm like, what? That thing live. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this done so they can eat. I'm staying on top of stuff. This is all the dishes I have in the sink. And then, I just cut my stuff up in here. But we're gonna wash these little dishes, honey. Ain't gonna be that many. Like about five dishes. So that's what we gonna do. While we waiting on the spaghetti to get ready. Get this together. I gotta show y'all the dishwashing liquid Ishmael brought in here because he said that I can't use my Dawn anymore because it don't have bleach in there. So this is the new dishwashing liquid that he bought in here, and you can see it got bleach in it. So he said I have to use this. I can't use that anymore. So Mr. German fold, you have to do what he say do. Washing these little dishes. Like I told you, I ain't got that many of this stuff. I need it. I like the way that smells too. glasses broke in my hand. Hey. Okay, so we're just pouring this into this bowl. And when the noodles get ready, because my noodles ain't ready, when the noodles get ready, then we'll mix everything together. Right now we washing off, cleaning behind ourselves. Like you have to clean behind yourself. And I got on this throwing hat because I couldn't find my scarf. So yeah, we just cleaning behind ourselves as we go. That way it'll be fewer dishes in the sink. When the noodles get done, then you know, I don't see me make spaghetti before. It ain't really too much of anything. Try everything out as you go. A little spaghetti, a little salad. Good God, let's eat. So this is how the meal came out. It looks so delicious. A little spaghetti with a little cheese and a little salad on the side and some toasted bread. Yes, yes. Thank you guys for watching. Be blessed, and we will see you guys on the next one. This is what we doing at what time o'clock in the morning it is?
3.
3 o'clock in the morning. He's reading and drinking Theraflu, trying to make sure he don't get sick at work so he can go back to sleep. Yeah, he not sick. He's not sick. He just trying to drink this to make sure he don't get sick, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he's reading up on the Senate.
About
And
the stimulus checks.
yeah, that's what he doing. Cause he don't want to watch CNN, so he want to read. Right?
Yep.
You love me.
Yes, bro.
No, you don't. But he got to go to work.
So I should be asleep by another 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's what he said. And
Are you playing?
no, tell us about the school.
You saying no? I'm saying that we're not going back to school in March, and it's a definite date that we're not going back to school until April 13th. So possibly on. We don't know. I think we are going to school in May though, because we have to take those AP tests. So
All the tests has been closed now. How many
it
times
has
I tell you
not.
that?
I have to tell you this that. The College Board, they're in charge of AP exams, right? They said they're not closing it because many students requested it. So,
Okay.
I'm telling you, like they closed their shop.
And we talk about stuff like this at 3 o'clock in the morning.
You feel like,
What you think about that?
I think she telling the truth.
thank you, Dad. Like,
'Cause you know she read up on there all day, so.
And what you do? The same thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's how they do.
I'm kind of like.
Bye.